Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel Srileka Akash. Today in this video I'm just going to show some of my new beaded jewelry collections which are like made it by me, and these can help some of the beginners for some design things they might would be worrying about how to create a new design, something like that, so that this video can help them out. If you find this video useful, please share this video with some of your friends too. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So these are all like beaded jewelries, and if you once get into the interest, you can get obsessed with that. That is what I'm obsessed with, making all this beaded jewelries nowadays. So the thing is that the charms you can, so this one is yes charm. Likewise, you can get that from online, or else like once you're doing with a single charm, you can use it back again, because we are not going to keep the same design every time. We can cut it back, because we can using this making with the help of elastic, so that you can cut it back and recreate your own design. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.